Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Twitter. Follow along. This tutorial will be for the desktop users, but don't worry because the process is exactly the same for mobile users. So firstly, you're going to log into your Twitter and click on Profile from the right side. Now, once you are on the profile page, you are going to click on this Edit Profile button. This will open up a new pop-up from here. You can see this camera icon on both your banner and your profile picture. Click the one on your profile image and it will ask you to select a new profile image. Keep in mind that the recommended dimensions for profile images are 400 x 400 pixels. Additionally, the maximum file size for profile photos is 2 megabytes. Now select image and you will be allowed to crop and zoom. Once you have adjusted the image, click Apply and it will give you a preview of how it will look on your profile. Press Save if you are satisfied and you will see your new profile picture uploaded on your profile. So this is how to change profile picture on Twitter.